The HP volunteer is still packing stuff away. Well, there's the friendly former BR signalman with its Pullman, class 73. Oh. It's 2.5 weeks. 22nd of April's 2.5 weeks. That's Easter Monday.
Yeah.
And then we've got the bank holiday Mondays in May, which will be running.
Right.
Yeah. It's nice to see you again.
That's alright, thank you. And you?
And it was fun riding on the 66 with you back in 2017.
Oh, blimey. That's going back a bit.
That's alright, but it was fun with you, I have to say.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me saying so.
I'll have to, I'll bring it down, but it's...
Well, it's got smaller batteries, what I heard.
It's one hell of a job to get it into a car.
I could imagine, considering how long it is, mind you, what I have to say.
The last time I did load it into my car, it only just fitted.
Yes.
Got the end of the journey, it's been moving, and put a dent in the back of the door.
Oh dear, I'm terribly sorry about that.
Oh. A small dent, but it's annoying.
Did you fix it?
No, it's in soft material, so I'll straighten it out eventually.
Okay. Do you reckon you bring it down again?
Well, I can do. It's really a question of having something to give us a hand with it, that's all.
Okay, that's alright. But never mind. Oh, the volunteers.
Yeah, right, see you then.
See you later. The friendly form may be our signalman in the cameo, as always. Here's Percy's driver in the cameo.